It's Fokrul's farewell match. Just ended. Fokrul won only one match.
Thank you for the positivity.
What's your experience in Merced cricket?
Thank you, the Merced community.
Oh, he's going to Florida, like he's...
Yeah. I'm going to Florida.
I'll take care of him.
We'll be neighbors very close.
I'll go both.
Thanks.
Yeah, best of luck, man.
You're also the champion in a cricket tournament we have played in here.
Wow.
You have a lot of experience.
Player of the tournament.
Wow. You're the player of the tournament.
Player of the year. Nice.
He scored the highest at that
Okay,
tournament.
he's the superstar here.
And you can ask like what was the prize?
Yeah, what was the prize?
The prize was invaluable. It was the
Wow.
most precious prize in my life. It was an absolutely well-organized tournament. I don't think Merced community can ever again organize a tournament like that. So I challenge Merced community going forward for that.
Wow, sounds like a great tournament.
খারাপ লাগবে অবশ্যই এখানেই সবকিছু শুরু সবার জন্য বেস্ট অফ লাক আমি চাই মানুষজন ফ্লোরিডা আসুক
পাশাপাশি অনেক ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ মার্চেতে অনেক হ্যাপি মেমোরিজ অনেক ধরনের মেমোরিজ সবাইকে অবশ্যই রেফারেন্সটা অনেক মিস করবো মার্চের সবার জন্য বর্তমান এবং ভবিষ্যৎ সবার জন্য অনেক শুভকামনা